Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to animate an object or a slide in Google Slides. So this one is pretty easy and straightforward. So I will show you right now. I'm going to the second slide of my presentation because I have here this object. If you want to animate an object, just click on it with your mouse and then go over to Insert right here and down here to Animation. Click on that. You should see appear this panel right here, and here up here it says slide transition, and down here object animations. So we want to firstly go over here to object animations, and you should see that this one has appear on click. So if you don't want this animation, you can delete it just by clicking this trash icon, and you can select your object, click on add animation, and change it. So right now it is appear, so you can change it to whatever you want. So let's say fly in from top, and it will happen on click or after previous or with previous. So choose this one. I will choose on click, and now when you play it and click, you can see that the animation is successful. You can also delete the animation right here, or you can make it faster or slower just by dragging. If you have to stop right here, just by dragging this, you can make it slower and faster. So let's say it can be 5 seconds long. So I will play it right now, so you see it can be really this simple and easy and slow. So I will stop it right now and show you the slide transition. So I will delete this one, and here you can choose your slide transition. So let's see, flip 0.5 seconds is okay. Now play it and you should see the flip. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.